Day 2 of protests over poor road conditions in southern Clarendon saw the access to more communities blocked and schools closed as residents made a point to the authorities to address their plight. TVJ's KRISTA Campbell has his primetime news follow-up.
The road is terrible. The road is bad.
Member of Parliament for South East Clarendon, Roddy Spencer, agreeing with the reason for a massive two-day protest, but not the protest itself.
The money is there, yes. The contract is already in so it can start like tomorrow then.
No, it can start tomorrow. I tell you something, whilst I understand your frustration, and I do understand your frustration, you could have gotten me here without blocking the road.
But residents of several communities in southeastern and southwestern Clarendon say they decided to take matters into their hands after years of unfulfilled promises from both their MPs, the other being Noel Arscott. And as they vowed on Monday, they were back on the streets in protest again on Tuesday, blocking more areas and, in the process, impacting the operations of Kemps Hill and Garvey Maceo High, which had to close for the day.
When me leave work 5 o'clock, we at 8 o'clock, me have to beg taxi for drive around here. Them have to go through the bush from road here, come round, or me have to call the phone and call taxi man to carry me. And if they're not used to you and like you, them nah come.
It's heading towards the Christmas season now, so you know where that go. You understand? We are very vulnerable when it comes to crime right now. Because we can't go more than 5 miles per hour, so anything can happen at any given time.
Taxis don't want to come down here, police don't want to come down here, nobody don't want to come down here because we're down here road.
We don't want no MP, no area leader can tell we nothing. We want a fixed date for the road.
The Prime Minister is involved, one. We got an estimate to do the road. Then contract was given out, and now the work is going to be done in a matter of 2 or 3 weeks.
The MP says the repair work will be done from Dawkins Pen to Alley, covering roughly 15 kilometers of roadway. But after waiting so long for redress, some of the protesters are skeptical.
Some of the operators, they are not taking his word like that. Maybe it's because of the long years of neglect, long years of arguments coming from politicians with no corresponding fulfillment of those promises.
KRISTA Campbell, TVJ News.